Hello students, good morning. This class we are going to learn about new topic chapter 2 measurements. I'll give the introduction part. An important aspect in everyone's day-to-day life is to measure. Measuring the length of your rope, the distance between two places, find the perimeter and area of plots and lands, building the structures under specified measures, etc. are a few of the many situations where the concept of measures is used. It is said that the biggest invention by man is the wheel. The wheel is otherwise called as the cradle of invention. What is the shape of a wheel? Circle, isn't it? In the things we use apart from circles, we can also see different shapes like triangles, squares, rectangles, etc. We have already learned how to find the perimeter and the area of shapes like circles, triangles, squares, rectangles, trapezium, parallelograms, etc. In this chapter, we shall see the parts of a circle and how to find the perimeter and the area of a sector and some combined shapes. Parts of a circle. A circle is the path traced by a moving point so that its distance from a fixed point is always constant. The fixed point of the circle is called its center and the constant distance is called its radius. Okay, the fixed point of the circle is called its center and the constant distance is called its radius. If any two points on a circle are joined by a line segment, then the line segment is called a chord. A chord divides a circle into two parts. A chord which passes through the center of a circle is called as a diameter. A diameter of a circle divides it into two equal parts. It is also the longest chord of a circle. So, longest chord of a circle is the diameter of the circle. Circular arc and circular sector. A part of the circumference of a circle is called a circular arc. Part of the circumference of a circle is called a circular arc. The plane surface that is enclosed between two radii and the circular arc of a circle is called a sector. Each part of a circle which is divided by a chord is called a segment. The part which has a smaller arc is called as the minor segment and the part which has a larger arc is called as the major segment. The angle formed by a sector of a circle at its center is called the central angle. The vertex of the central angle of the sector is the center of the circle. The two arms of it are the radii. And angle AOB is equal to take theta degree and its two arms OA and OB are the radii of the circle. The central angle of a circle is 360 degree. If a circle is divided into n equal sectors, the central angle of each of the sector is theta degree is equal to 360 degree by n. Okay, theta degree is equal to 360 degree by n. Now we are going to study some formulas. Length of the arc L is equal to theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r units. Length of the arc formula. Then area of the sector A is equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Yeah, area is you multiplied pi r square. Length of the arc is you multiplied circumference. Okay. So, length of the arc is theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. Area of the sector is theta by 360 into pi r square units. One note, if a circle of radius r units divided into n equal sectors, then the length of the arc of each of the sector is 1 by n into 2 pi r units. Area of the sector is 1 by n into pi r square units. Then area of the sector is derived as theta degree by 360 degree into pi r square. So we get LR by 2 square units. LR by 2 square units. Next one, perimeter of a sector. Perimeter of a sector P is equal to L plus 2R units. Perimeter of a sector is L plus 2R units. Next one, note the perimeter of a semicircle is equal to pi plus 2 into R units. Pi plus 2 into R, or we can write L plus 2R units. Then perimeter of a circular quadrant is pi by 2 plus 2 into R. Pi by 2 plus 2 into R units. That is perimeter of a circular quadrant. Now I'll explain some example problems. Example 2.1, a circular shaped gymnasium ring of radius 35 cm is divided into 5 equal arcs shaded with different colors. Find the length of each of the arc. Find the length of each of the arc. Listen again, I'll repeat the question. A circular shaped gymnasium ring of radius 35 cm. So the given value radius is 35 centimeter is divided into 5 equal arcs, that is n value is 5, and find the length of each of the arcs. Find the length of each of the arcs. So L formula 1 by n into 2 pi r. Okay, substitute the given values. So 1 by 5 into 2 pi r is 2 into pi into, here also we substitute the radius value 35. Then 1 5 is 5. 5 7s are 35. Then the product of the term 7 2s are 14. So 14 pi centimeter. Okay, this is the answer. Next question, example 2.2. A spinner of radius 7.5 centimeter is divided into 6 equal sectors. Find the area of each of the sector. Here also the given value radius r is equal to 7.5 centimeter and 6 equal sectors. 6 equal sectors, that counting is n value. N is equal to 6. You find the area of the sector. Area of the sector is 1 by n into, that length is 2 pi r. Here area, so 1 by n into pi r square units. Okay, so 1 by n value is 6 into pi into r square is 7.5 into 7.5. 6 and 7.5 is a multiple of 3. So you use third table and cancel. 3 2s are 6 here, 2.5. Again 1 2 is 2. We cancel 7.5. We get the decimal point 3.75. Now you find out the product of 3.75 and 2.5. We get 9.375 pi square centimeter. 9.375 pi square centimeter. Example 2.3. Kamalesh has a dining table circular in shape of radius 70 centimeter, whereas Tarun has a circular quadrant dining table of radius 140 centimeter, whose dining table has a greater area. Kamalesh has a dining table that is circular shape. Tarun has a circular quadrant dining table. So we use the formulas, find out the area of the dining table. Okay, listen, first dining table is circular shape. Circular shape dining table radius is 70 centimeter. So area of the dining table, that is circular dining table, formula pi r square units. So pi value already given in the question. We substitute 22 by 7 into r square is 70 into 70. So we find out the cancellation and find out the product of the terms. We get 15,400 square centimeter. Again the circular quadrant dining table radius is 140 centimeter. So you write the formula, area of the circular quadrant dining table is equal to 1 by 4 into pi r square. So 1 by 4 into pi value is 22 by 7 and r square is 140 into 140. Again you find out the cancellation of the denominator and the numerator. The balance terms are 11 into 10 into 140. The product of the term is 15,400 square centimeter. See the previous value and this value, area of the dining table of the circular dining and the area of the circular quadrant dining table. The two values are equal. So answer is both the area of the dining tables are same. And the next question, example 2.4. 4 identical medals. These are the identical medals. Each of diameter 7 centimeter. So this one diameter is 7 centimeter are placed. Find the area of the shaded region. You find out the shaded region area. Okay, this is the shaded region. So you find out this area between the shaded region between the medals. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. See the figure. This is one of the square intersecting the medals. Okay, you find out the shaded region area. So we find out the area of a square minus area of the circular quadrants. Okay, so you find out area of the square minus area of the circular quadrant. Find out the subtraction, we get the shaded region. Okay, so D value already gave in the question, 7 centimeter. D is the diameter. Radius is the half value of the diameter. So the R value is half value of diameter is 7 by 2 centimeter. Then find out the area of the shaded region is equal to area of the square minus 4 times area of the circular quadrant. See, 4 times we get the circular quadrant inside of the square. So we find out the subtraction of area of the square and area of the circular quadrants. So area of the square, already you know the formula. Area of the square is a square and the area of the circular quadrant is 1 by 4 pi r square. Already having 1 4 here. So 4 and 4 cancelled. A square is square side value. Side is 7 centimeter. So a square is 7 into 7 minus, here we get it 22 by 7 into r square is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Okay, 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So 7 and 7 cancelled. Here 1 2 is 2. 11 2s are 22. Then no cancellation part. Then find out the product of this number. 49 minus, here we get it 11 7s are 77. 77 by 2. So we get 49 minus 77 by 2. 77 by 2 decimal point value is 38.5. Find out the subtraction of 49 and 38.5. We get it 10.5. So the answer of shaded region is 10.5 square centimeter. This is the answer. Thank you, students.